Okay, update on the FZ600. We've got some carb action here. Basically, we couldn't get any throttle return. We weren't getting any spring action here. So what we got now is we've got things at the very least freed up, and with some throttle action and some spring response. Return did take quite a bit of finagling and lots of penetrating fluid. Still, these are gonna have to come off and be rebuilt and cleaned. I was just hoping to maybe get the bike fired up, or at least semi-fired up, before turning it down any further, so we're sure that it's existing symptoms, and not something that we've caused with wiring or a line being off or a tube being off somewhere. So we've got the airbox off over there. We've got the gas tank. We've got the air filter. Over here we have the ignition module, and back on this side of the bike, there's quite a bit of electrics that are hanging here. There's the that's a rag or something, and some connections quite corroded with the battery situation and moisture, so we'll get all that cleaned up as best as possible. This is going to take some time. There's the adjustment on the fork, or sorry, on the back shock, preload adjustment, or damper, preload, which is actually adjustable, so we got that cleaned up a tad, but that's going to have to be cleaned up way more, and it's just a process of going through Roxy here. We've named her Roxy. She's a dirty bugger. We're gonna get her cleaned up. Over and out.